Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well. Today is Saturday. We've just got home, so I thought it might be quite fun to spend the afternoon together. I've got a few bits and pieces that I need to do around the house, and then we're just gonna have some quality time, Ada and I. So first of all, Ada has just woken up from a nap. I'm gonna get on with a few jobs in the house first. Because then I feel like once that's all done and out the way, like I can just relax then. We can spend some time together, we can do lots of playtime. I've got some washing on my bed that I need to put away. I need to do a bit of hoovering, I need to clean down the kitchen sides, I need to do a bit of dusting, just things like that. So I always like to get my jobs out of the way because then I feel like I can just switch off, I can chill out, and I know that I've done something a bit more productive, so I don't feel guilty going, you know, and spending time in the garden and just chilling out. I thought it might be quite nice to spend it with you guys as well. So to start, I'm just going to tidy up all the sides, get rid of all the clutter and do a little bit of washing up. And then I'm going to give all of these sides a spray down. I'm also going to wipe the front of the cupboards. I usually use the Flash spray and wipe spray, but this was actually substituted in my Tesco order. It's Tesco's own anti-bac, and I have to be honest, I really like it. So for the price, I'd definitely buy it again. Then I just give my bathroom a little refresh, wipe over the sink and the shelves, and just give the toilet a good clean. Ada absolutely loves being in the garden. She's at that age now where she just loves to touch everything. It's all touchy-feely. She loves all the bright flowers in the garden, so we bring her out here every day so she can have a good old explore, and she absolutely loves it. So after all of that excitement, it's time for a bottle. I tend to bring her into her nursery. She's not in here at night at the moment. So in the day, we have a bottle, a story, and then I put her down for a nap in here just to get her used to the room. So I've just put Ada down for a nap. She usually goes down for about 20 minutes, half an hour. Sometimes I get the odd hour, but it's very rare. But while she's down, I'm going to whiz around the house and try and get as many jobs done as I can. Starting with the bedroom, I've got a load of washing that I need to put away. And I'm going to do a little bit of dusting in here. And then when she's awake, I'll run the hoover around the house as well. So, in fact, I can hear her. She's not even asleep yet. So I might have about half an hour, 40 minutes, we'll see. I've just looked at my wardrobe. It's such a mess. I really need to get it all out and basically I need to chuck it all away. But I don't have the time or patience to do that just yet. I need to pull it all out, get it all organised again. So that's going to be my job, because look at the state of this. Just look at that. That's just full. I'm not even going to show you that side. That's where all my shoes live. But I've got all my maternity stuff in there that I need to go through and get on Vinted, but having the time to do that is just not very easy, is it? But I need to pull all of these out because, believe it or not, these are always usually quite organised, and I mean, it just looks like I've chucked everything in there. I have chucked everything in there. Ada is still in with us at the moment until like next week, maybe the week after, and she's going to be in her room, which is where she is now. So yeah, I'm going to dust in here and just spruce it up a little bit whilst she is asleep. But wish me luck with this. This is the worst job. I hate I hate putting clothes away. So I've put all my clothes away, thank God. So I'm going to do a bit of dusting now. I use one of these. You can tell I've already used it today. This is a sponge duster. You don't need to do anything with this. You don't need to use product. You literally wipe and everything sticks to it. So in the living room we have a TV stand that's like black gloss, and everything sticks to that within seconds, but this gets it all off. It's amazing. So I'm going to give it a go over in here with this, but I'm also going to go over it with polish because I love the smell of polish. Like, I always feel like everywhere's nice and clean when you've got a bit of polish. So that's what I use for dusting, guys. If you haven't got one, get one. So hot. It's so hot today. I've just worked up a right sweat. So I've done most of my jobs. I've cleaned down all the kitchen sides. I've cleaned down all the kitchen cupboard doors. It's been on my list for a while. I've put all my washing away. I've cleaned the bathroom. Well, I've like freshened the bathroom. Freshened up my bedroom. I just need to hoover and mop everywhere, but Ada's asleep at the moment, so I'm going to grab 5 minutes whilst I can, have a nice shower, get changed, and we'll have a bit of playtime when she wakes up before I finish the rest of my jobs. But really pleased with what I've got done today. Like, she's been down now for about, well, probably half an hour, 40 minutes probably. Yeah, 40 minutes, which is like unheard of. So I'll take that. It means that we can just enjoy the rest of the afternoon together. The floors will only take a few minutes. So yeah, very pleased with my progress today. Thank you, Ada. I feel so much better. Ada is still down for a nap. She's been down now for almost an hour, so she was clearly tired. So while she's still sleeping, I am going to tidy up my living room. In 5 minutes when she wakes up, it's going to be like this again, but at least I can give it a bit of a tidy. I can give it a bit of a dusting and a polishing and freshen up the sofa. So I'm just tidying up all of her toys, which will be straight back out in 5 minutes as soon as she's up. And then once I've done that, I'm going over everything with my sponge cloth and then over it with a bit of polish, just to make it smell nice and fresh and clean. Hello? Did you have a nice nap? Did you have a nice nap? Did you? Are we ready for some playtime? Yeah! See? You see? Ready? Row, row, row your boat gently down belly poking out your top. You reading? Are you reading? Are you having fun in there? Honestly, guys, this is hands down the best money I have ever spent in my life. She's got the Finding Nemo playmat, which she loved. But this little jumperoo is amazing. I got it on an Amazon Prime Day, so it should have been like 95 quid and we paid like 60 for it. But this seat swizzles so she can get to all the attractions, which is amazing. I won't press all the buttons because it's quite loud, but you've got like all sorts of different bits. This is a mirror, you've got a teether, and you can change all these bits around as well. And she absolutely loves it. Don't you? Is it your favourite thing to do? I'll link it below for you guys. Like I say, best money I have ever spent, hands down. So while she's playing in her bouncer, I am just going to do the floors. I'm just using my Shark 2-in-1 vacuum. This is my favourite Shark ever. The top is a handheld and it's just a lifesaver. And then I'm just going to go over it with my Vileda spray mop. I use a diluted Zaflora solution in there, which just leaves the house smelling incredible. Just thought I would quickly share these sensory bottles that we made for Ada because they are such a hit. She loves them. Anything that makes like a nice little noise or has got like different colours seem to be a real big hit. So like they are really inexpensive to make as well. Like this one's just got red lentils in and she loves the sound of that, and I think she likes the colours when you like slide it side to side. We've got one here with rice in that does very similar. This one has got pom-poms and pasta in, so again makes a nice noise but is nice and bright and colourful. This one's got bells in, which she loves. This one's got lots of different colour buttons. And then this one, you can do lots of variations with water, but this one's got glitter and sequins in. But you can also have them with like food colouring, like googly eyes, anything really with water. It just gives them a little bit of interest. And like I say, she loves them. So I thought I would share them with you. What are they? Ada's recently discovered bubbles. Before she wasn't so sure about them, but now she absolutely loves to reach out and grab them, and again a really cheap and easy way to entertain a 6-month-old. So Matt's just texted me, he's the match is finished and he's going to call in at the chippy on the way home. Winner. Who doesn't love a takeaway on a Saturday? So this one is in need of another feed again, so I'm going to go and feed her. We're going to go sit outside in the egg chair and in the shade and just enjoy the rest of the weather. Hope you all have a lovely Saturday evening, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I look forward to seeing you again soon. So we've recently started Ada on solids. I have got a video on our first weaning experience. Ada has been diagnosed with a cow's milk protein allergy, and so I will be documenting our journey. Feel free to hit the subscribe button if you might find this of use. I will be updating our journey as we go along.